Hi, hardworking nonfiction readers. Are you ready for a different book today? Today we're going to read How Can We Save the Cheetah? And the text in this book has been organized using the problem and solution text structure. Writers use the problem and solution text structure to present a problem and suggest possible solutions. And the problem and solution text structure includes words such as problem, difficult, another, as a result, solution, because, and help. So this book will introduce a problem and some possible solutions. Let's pay attention to this. We're going to start with the section, what is a cheetah? We might see lots of description words too, right? So pay attention. The cheetah is one of the big cats and is the world's fastest land mammal. Unlike most big cats, cheetahs are active during the day, hunting prey such as antelope and hares. Their spotted coats provide excellent camouflage, which allows them to blend in with dried grass of the African savannas. Cheetahs can reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. Really cool. So far, I don't hear any problems. We're just learning about cheetahs. Oops. Let's see. Female cheetahs usually have 3 cubs. These cubs live with their mother for up to 2 years. Male cheetahs often form small groups of 2 or 3. The cheetah is endangered, or it means close to dying out. So, the cheetah is endangered in some parts of the world, mostly due to destruction of its natural habitat. Right? So this sounds like a problem to me. So the habitat of cheetahs is getting destroyed. Many cheetah cubs do not survive to be adults. Cheetah numbers. More than 100 years ago, it was estimated that there were 100,000 cheetahs living in the wild. That's a lot. About 30 years ago, that number had fallen to less than 2,500. Wow, it's a huge drop down, right? Today, it is believed that there are around 10,000 cheetahs remaining, but that figure might be as low as 5,000. And you guys can see the graph showing cheetah decline. So the numbers are going down. So from 100,000, it's going down to less than 20, like really. The total cheetah population is falling and they are in danger of becoming extinct. Cheetah numbers are hard to estimate. Counting wild cats is very difficult because they move around a lot. They're also difficult to spot because of their camouflage. The same cheetah might also be counted more than once. So also there is a problem counting it, right? They are camouflaging, it's hard to find, it's hard to count them. The cheetah can be difficult to spot in the wild. Where do cheetahs live? Cheetahs once lived in 44 countries across Africa and Asia. Many of these populations are now extinct, so they don't exist anymore. Today, cheetahs are mainly found in countries in Southwest Africa. Most live in small groups outside protected game reserves. So this is the map showing Africa, and in purple, it's the past cheetah population. We had lots of cheetahs. And actually here on this map showing current locations of cheetahs. Current location is only in orange. Look, it's not a lot at all. Today the Asian cheetah is nearly extinct. It became extinct in India in the 1950s. The last cheetah was seen in Israel in 1956. A small number of cheetahs are still found in Iran. The largest population of cheetahs is in African country Namibia. About 2,500 cheetahs live there. Cheetah habitat. A habitat is a place where an animal has everything it needs to survive, including food, water, and shelter. And you guys know that, right? We also have, plants have habitats too. Cheetahs live in large open areas such as savannas. They can also live in other habitats such as deserts or semi-deserts. In Namibia, which is a country in Africa, cheetah habitats include grasslands, savannas, and mountains. The savanna has everything a cheetah needs to survive. And you can see in the picture, this is a beautiful example of savanna. Water, grass, trees. You know, cheetahs like to climb on trees. Cheetahs need a huge space in which to live. These spaces are known as home ranges. The average home range of a male cheetah is 519 square miles. Female home ranges are even larger at 834 square miles. Cheetahs can spot prey far in the distance on the flat plains of Africa. Okay, still learning a lot about cheetahs, and we're paying attention to see when are we going to meet any problems, more problems. Oh, look at that title, heading. Problems with humans. Humans are the reason that cheetahs are under threat. Cheetah numbers continue to fall mainly because of the destruction of their habitat. More people means more land is needed for farming and housing. Because a cheetah's home range is so large, it often comes into contact with humans. Humans move onto land that was once the cheetah's home. So that's a problem. Habitat destruction has also caused the number of prey animals to decrease. Although it prefers natural prey, the cheetah is occasionally forced to feed on livestock. Humans often respond by killing the cheetah. Some people use cheetah skins to make clothing. So people come, destroy cheetah's habitat, kill them, use their skin, right? That's definitely sound like a problem. Problems with other predators. Habitat loss creates other problems. With fewer prey animals to feed upon, competition among predators has increased. The cheetah is one of the smallest of the big cats. Even in protected wildlife reserves, cheetahs are struggling against larger predators. Despite being excellent hunters, cheetahs are often driven away from their kill. And this is an example why cheetah has to leave the prey sometimes. A cheetah is no match for a hyena. So if a hyena shows up, it steals cheetah's food. Cheetah cubs rely on their mother for protection. But the mother must leave her cubs alone when she goes hunting. Cubs are sometimes killed by other predators because they are unable to defend themselves. It means they can't defend themselves. Cheetah cubs are helpless without their mother. Look how cute they are. Like tiny little kitty cats. Other problems. Most cheetahs are closely related. This is because a natural disaster thousands of years ago caused the population to fall almost to extinction. The remaining cheetahs were forced to breed with one another. This is called inbreeding. Inbreeding has caused a lack of variety in cheetahs' genes, the building blocks that make up an animal. And you can see the picture with the caption, cheetahs are often related. So that creates a problem also in breeding. It's like getting married with brothers and sisters, which can cause problems in humans. Other problems result from inbreeding. Some females are unable to have cubs. Even when they do, many cubs do not survive to become adults. Because of inbreeding, cheetahs are more likely to catch diseases. Mating with a wide range of other cheetahs helps them to fight off diseases. So captive cheetahs are treated for different diseases. So when they are in a zoo, in some kind of captivity, they get help, right, from the diseases, but in the wild they can't. All right, guys, we'll continue in the video 2, and hopefully we're going to start learning some solutions or some things we can do, some ways to help cheetahs with all the problems. See you in the second video.